Another day, another dollar at Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today, oh, look at the spider. Damn, that's a jumping spider. Uh-oh, he's on it. I'm gonna leave him be. We're gonna talk about this in another video. Oh, I know you guys are hating on that, aren't you? Yeah, we're gonna talk about this in another video. Obviously, this has come a long way since we brought her home, but we still got a ways to go with it. Looks good, doesn't it? Not bad for $1,800 out the door, fees and all. Today, we're gonna talk about this. Yeah, the C6, the 3LT or LT3, 3LT, hell, I don't remember. Yeah, so as most of you know, I traded this in. And I've had a lot of you asking a lot of questions about how the hell this deal worked out. How did I drive off the lot in a brand new car without secure financing? And now I'm gonna have a lot of you asking, how much did it cost me? Because keep in mind, I put almost 2,000 miles on that Sonata. That's a brand new car. 2,000 miles. Actually, it was around 1,680 miles is what I put on it. So a lot of you are going to be asking, what did it cost me to do this deal? Because obviously I didn't walk away, borrowing their brand new car and getting to run 2,000 miles on it and getting away with it for free, right? Well, wrong. Actually, I did get it for free. We signed no contracts that had anything to do with me being charged if the deal didn't go through. So basically, they had to eat it. On top of that, Automax put about $650 into the Vette. I don't know why they did it. The guy brought me out a piece of paper, and he was like, well, you know how the car game works. We did this, and he had a bunch of numbers next to it. Total came in like $650, and I was like, I said, I'm not paying anything, right? And he just turned around and walked off. And he said, well, I'm taking my floor mats. I was like, okay, this has got Corvette floor mats in it. You can have your plastic Hyundai floor mats, whatever. Yeah, dude, I don't think was very happy. I don't think he was very happy at all. Now, what I did notice earlier today is that I got on their website and they had the Vette for sale. They had it listed at $22,900, so $23,000. And I look on my Carfax report. I run the Carfax report. Sure enough, Carfax report comes up saying they did a 37,000 mile maintenance on it. They did an oil and filter change, rotate, balance the tires, and I'm like, damn, these people are putting some money into this car. $650, I don't know. They waxed it. They gave it a good wax. That's why it looks so clean. Detailed it. But I'm like, I don't know about $650. I don't know about that. But yeah, I told them I'm not paying anything for that. And as far as the Sonata, there was nothing. No paperwork at all saying that I owed them anything. So, at the end of the day, they got the rough end of the deal. And that I don't feel good about it. I'm not bragging about it. I don't feel good about it at all. But at the same time, I got onto Automax's website and I pretended to be somebody else. I said my name was Freddy Jason because I'm on a Freddy Krueger kick, and Freddy versus Jason's like, the last episode or whatever. So I said my name is Freddy Jason. I said I'm about to come down there with cash money, $23,000 to pick up this Vette. And I said, do you have the title and everything ready to go? And the lady responded, yes. I said, look, I'm coming from 2 hours away. Are you sure everything's good to go? If so, I'll bring you cash money for this car. She said, it's all ready to go. Come on down. Well, that's interesting because I got the title in the house and I signed no power of attorney on this car ever. So they had no power of attorney. They had no title. They went ahead and started putting their money and work into it. They listed it on their lot for sale. And then they told me, a potential customer, that I could bring them $23,000 cash and they'd take it. Excuse me, how in the hell can you sell this for $23,000 cash when there's a $26,000 loan on it? Explain that to me. The financing didn't go through, so how in the hell could they sell this for $23,000, leave me with no car, and I'm still holding the title and I'm still holding the note on a $3,000 loan, or on a, I'm still holding a $3,000 negative equity or whatever on this loan? Shouldn't be possible. Anyway, at the end of the day, it is what it is. I went back. They handed me my car. and I handed in their Sonata, and we parted ways. Now, I'm sure they're pissed off. I'm not overly pissed off. A couple things I was a little upset about is they damaged my window tint. I don't know if you can see it. You probably can't see it. But right here, there's a chip taken. There you go. You should be able to see that right there, right in the middle of your screen. They took a chip out of my window tint because they scraped off my pike pass. So I got to go get another pike pass. Also, they scraped off my damn Oki Express Auto Wash sticker, and I had to pay $5 to get that replaced. And then on the back side over here, I already took care of it, but somewhere like right here, they put a sticker on it that said Automax Hyundai, and each letter had to be removed. It was Automax Hyundai Del City with a star. Like, I had to remove each individual sticker, but whatever. You know what a rental car would have cost me to drive almost 2,000 miles to Colorado for, we had it for 11 days. 11 days? Oh man, it would have been thousands of dollars. Thousands of dollars. So am I gonna sit here and complain about getting my Corvette back? Hell to the no. Hell to the no. Let me tell you, yeah, the Sonata was economical, the Sonata was a good car, it's a reliable blah, 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 blah. But that's all fun and great and well, but there is just nothing like getting behind a wheel of a sports car. And this isn't even like that great of a sports car. I love Corvettes, but I couldn't imagine getting behind the wheel of like an Audi R8. Whoo! Maybe someday, but for now, I'm happy to have my Vette back. Now, as far as this thing behind me goes, well, I think we're gonna pull it out of the garage here in a minute because it's been in the garage since the day we brought it home. I think it's about time to pull this thing out and play around with it a little bit. But before we do that, we got a few bits and pieces to put back together. And hell, I need to make a video for you guys on this thing because we've been putting some work into it. And I think it's a good looking car. What do you think? $3,000, $3,500? We got to find a seat. This seat is just, and apparently this is common with this car, but this seat is just trash, man. Look at this. Look at that. Like, that's garbage, garbage. Luckily, the seat comes out real easy. You just like reach up under here and boom, pull it out. Maybe I can find one from a regular A4, the sedan, not the cabriolet. And, you know, maybe we can swap out a seat on it. It's a pretty clean ride, man. I'm really surprised at how this car came out. What do you think? It's got like a blue pearl to it. Do you see it in the light? Maybe it's just me. I swear I see like a pearl in that blue paint. Yeah, she's nice. She's nice. There's a couple things we need to source. The rear view mirror is missing. And this takes a weird mirror. It's got some big round thing, which is totally gone here. So I'll have to go basically rip one of these out of another Audi. I'll probably hit the junkyard soon. We'll take you guys on video with us to the salvage yard to go see what kind of parts we can find. But man, matching tires all the way around, Koenig rims. This thing is sharp. This thing is sharp. Now I do feel like I overpaid for it a little bit. I do, because it was like 18 out the door, and that's a little high for something like this. But I think the car will fetch $3,000, $3,500. I think we actually lost some paint here. We did. I thought this was just residue from the stickers they had on it. It's not. They put those protective tape things over it, and it literally took the paint from right here. Look at that. Oh well. Put a little polishing compound or buffing compound on it to make it look a lot better. So that's going to be it for the video. We're going to call it a day. The Vette is back. It didn't cost me anything. And how did I like the Sonata? I mean, it's a great car. I'll say that about it. It's a damn good car. It was very, very comfortable to take on road trips. And during the entire 1,600 miles that I drove it, that car averaged 36.8 miles a gallon combined. That's city, highway, through the mountains, everything. The whole time since I got it, it got that kind of gas mileage. That was impressive. Now, on the way back from Colorado, which I think we drove almost 1,000 miles total, all over Colorado through Kansas and back, and we took some detours and stuff, it averaged around 42 miles a gallon on the way back. That car was a great car. No complaints. I wouldn't hesitate to own one at all. And if things had worked out, you know, we probably would still be in the Sonata. I mean, I really did like that car. That's no BS, no joke. It was a very solid, comfortable car. And the warranty, 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, that's unbeatable. That's just unbeatable. But like I said, it's a Corvette, man. Come on. So do me a favor, if you enjoyed the content, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't thumbs down it, just give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Be sure to comment below what you think. Tell me what you think this car is worth, assuming we get, you know, the bugs worked out of it and everything. Tell me what you think this car would be worth, what you think we could sell this thing for on the lot. I'm thinking $3,000, $3,500. I don't know. You tell me what you think. I'm happy to have the Vette back. The Prius is still sitting here, and we got more work to do. So stay safe out there, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I almost forgot to say that. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. At the end of this video, if you want some merchandise, click on the shirt at the end of the video, very end of the video. You'll see a shirt on the right-hand side. Just click on that. That'll take you to my merch store where I've got like a coffee mug, I've got stickers, I've got t-shirts, things like that. Snatch yourself up something like that. Help support the channel. I certainly do appreciate you. We will catch you tomorrow. Well, I'm not going to tell you what tomorrow's video is, but I will tell you this. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Tomorrow is the day I release my Copart walk-around video. And as you know, Copart has told me we had to put a hold on everything until we had some things figured out. So here's what I'm going to tell you for tomorrow. Don't miss tomorrow's video, because tomorrow we're either going to do the Copart walk-around or we are going to be told we're not able to do that anymore. So please, tomorrow morning, 10:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, watch for that video, because we do have a verdict, and I'm going to share that with you tomorrow. Stay safe out there, everybody. I will catch you very soon in the next one.